Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. It's me Tahia Mashu. I hope you all are doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. Yeah, I'm also pretty good. Now I'm a student of Adam English School. My roll number is 19 and my class number is 2. Thanks to Rubai bin Jaman sir and Hassan Habibunovic Shovan sir for giving me this golden opportunity. So let's start our today's topic. Our today's topic is about how to pronounce word with the letter P. So let's start. On this sketch, I need a paper and here is it. We know the word with the letter P should be aspirated. If I say P, it's wrong. But if I say like this way, P, this is right. Because when I say P, the paper is waving. That means it's been aspirated. Let's go some words. Okay. Pen. It's wrong. If I say pen, it's correct. Pot. It's incorrect. Pot. It's correct. Play. It's wrong. Play. It's right. Pilot. It's wrong. Pilot. It's correct. Poppy. It's wrong. Puppy. It's correct. Put. Wrong. Put. It's correct. Purple. It's wrong. Purple. It's right. Paint. It's also wrong. Paint. It's correct. Park. It's wrong. Park. It's correct. Party. It's also wrong. If I say party, it's correct. Okay, let's go to tongue twister. So our today's tongue twister with the letter P. So let's start. Poppy put purple pen in the pool. 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 So that's it, our today's topic, P sound. So bye bye everyone. See you again.